I'm Marie and I'm an electrician at substation maintenance at Marleston North. Pretty much my spare time I like anything to do with extreme sports. I can't sit still for too long. So yeah, getting out and about, bike rides, snowboarding, being in the water at the beach, that's what I enjoy most. I was attracted to an apprenticeship at SA Power because of the variety in the job that you do. There's so many different things that you can go into within your trade, so I feel like I'll never be bored and I can always be doing something different every day. So some of the skills I've developed has been teamwork has been a big one. Working with different people and different personalities, standing up for what you believe in is a big thing for me. I'm not a very confrontational person naturally, so I think having input and being a valuable member comes with speaking up and making suggestions to your everyday work. Yeah, that's been a new skill for me. One of my funniest moments, I think, within my apprenticeship was probably not too long ago. I was working out rural, weren't too many people around. We were all having a bit of a dance, myself and the crew I was with. One of the guys was going like this and just saying, that he stinks, and just singing songs that we were making up, and we've actually turned around and seen someone next door laughing as well, and once we all got caught we were so embarrassed, and yeah, it was pretty fun. Working in a team environment means that you work with some people a lot, but it's really good that there's so many different people that you click with, that you start feeling like family. I think you definitely do. And you get closer with them. I've made a lot of relationships with people that I see outside of work as well within SA Power, and yeah, it's been great. So in the future, I just hope to, perhaps maybe one day I'd like to be a team leader. But yeah, most of the time I just want to further my knowledge mostly and have a real good understanding of what I do every day and make sure I can do it well.